Someone replaced a heat exchanger and then they had no heat. 5. Ignition lockout. Let's give it a reset and see what happens. Alright, now to explain my ignition lockout. Fired off immediately. Thought I smelled a little excess gas. We'll just start with all our basic stuff and see if we find anything. Check our spark out while it's retried. Sparking. That's why I failed to ignite. There's something not connected somewhere. I can hear it. You ought to be able to see that spark. They had this pulled out too because the grommet's gone. Okay, we're sparking. We're just not getting down there. Figure out what the hell our problem there is. You can see where maybe they were fighting it, trying to push it back through this grommet, because it's actually broke. And I think they've just shoved the wire. There's no wire in the end of that, which would make sense on why it wasn't sparking, or at least sparking all the time. I mean, it had to spark something because it lit for me, but that, we're probably gonna have to cut back and see if we can't find that wire. The other thing I found, I pulled these burners out in order. So there, the burners were in there like that. Does anybody see the problem? These are your crossover tubes here. This one has to be on the end because it's crimped and it doesn't have a space for the flame to cross over. This one cannot be right there because that flame won't get there. There ain't no wire in there. I finally got to some wire. I had to cut that much off. Looks like I'm still gonna have enough here. I have to find a grommet or something to put in there. Let's see that spark. That's the spark we're looking for. I bet she's gonna fire now. One more try. Actually marked. It's 3.2, so actually it is overfired a little bit. Not by much. Get it down to 3.2. Call it good. As far as the heat goes right now, it's going to be okay. So happy 2024, guys. I appreciate all y'all. Leave a trade better than you found it. I'll see y'all next time.